If you publish coloring books on Amazon KDP, I want to show you something that's going to save you a lot of time. This is a simple browser tool that turns your coloring page images into a print-ready PDF. No software, no subscription, nothing to install. All you do is download this one HTML file and open it in your browser. That's it. It opens instantly. No loading screen, no account, no internet required. Now I'll drag in my coloring page images. You can drop in as many as you want at once. It supports PNG, JPG, and WebP. As you can see, they load up instantly as thumbnails, so you know exactly what's going in your book. Next, I choose my page size. The most popular KDP coloring book size is 8.5 by 11 square. It's already built in. But you also have US letter, 6 by 9, or you can type in any color. I'll give it a file name, and you can see it auto-generates the name with the size and bleed info already in it, which is really handy for staying organized. Now I just hit Download PDF, and there it is. Let me open it up. Every image is on its own page, white background, perfectly sized, trim marks in place. This is exactly the file KDP wants. The whole thing took about 30 seconds. One HTML file. Works on Mac, Windows, Linux, any modern browser. Your images never get uploaded anywhere. Everything happens locally on your device. The link to grab it is right below this video. Hope it helps.